Hello and welcome to this meditation. Our emotions and feelings can be overwhelming sometimes, and we need to get in control of these areas in order to be productive, happy, and at peace. In this session, we will get a little more familiar and comfortable with all of our emotions. All emotions have opposites, and if you only experience one half, your emotional state can get really unbalanced and even unpredictable. Let's start by sitting down with a straight spine, legs crossed or uncrossed, and your spine is comfortably straight, sitting with honor and dignity. First, let's take 5 full breaths to relax a little bit and get connected to our body. 1 full breath in. Make your ribs and belly expand. And exhale, let it go. 2, take a full breath in. Hold it for just 1 second and let it out very slowly. 3, inhale, fully filling your belly like a balloon. When you let go, your belly gently falls. 4, a full, strong, and deep breath in. And as you exhale, let your body relax just a little bit more. 5, take another full breath in. And this time let the breath fall naturally. Let your body breathe on its own now without any effort or control. Now remember a time when you felt really joyful about something. It could be something that you have achieved in the past, or that you were happy about recently. Feel the joy. Feel the happiness. See all of the details of you being so joyful and happy. Let the feeling of joy expand. Happiness. Good. Now observe exactly where this emotion is located. Does it have some sort of shape or color? Does the feeling of joy move around, or is it still? Really get familiar with all of the sensations of this feeling. No need to think about anything. Just observe. Good. You can relax your focus now. And remember that you can always come back here to this joyful state just by remembering it. and feeling it. Now let's get familiar with the opposite emotion of joy, sadness and despair. Don't worry about being uncomfortable with these feelings and emotions. They are completely normal, and feeling these emotions is beneficial in many ways. It's actually our reaction and feeling the need to escape them that's what's causing them to linger for longer periods of time, and they become extremely uncomfortable. So start off by remembering a time when something really brought you down, something that maybe made you cry. Remember that strong and sad feeling. Don't be afraid. It's completely normal and a harmless feeling. Now really feel exactly where this emotion is located. How does it behave in your body? Does it have a shape or a color? Is it moving around? Get familiar with all of the details of sadness. No need to think about anything or do anything with this feeling. Just observe it. The feeling of despair. Now notice when you let yourself feel these sad feelings, the energy moves and lifts. It begins to balance when you allow the feelings of sadness to be felt. Good. Now we are going to bring ourselves right back to that joyful feeling and change the whole state of our body with the power of our mind. Remember that joyful memory again. Feel the joy start small and then grow inside you. Seeing all the details of this wonderful memory, feeling yourself smile, happiness. See yourself moving around with excitement. Joy. Remember again where joy is located in your body. Feel it exactly how it is. Good. See how easy it is to feel our emotions by just thinking about them. You have become acquainted with the feelings of sadness and the feelings of happiness. All emotions are welcome, and we must respect each of them. Whenever you are ready, open your eyes and look around. and know that it's okay to feel whatever you feel.